Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1971 Ford Bronco 4x4. Go over some of the highlights of the engine build here. We have the 302 Ford engine here, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. It's real nice Edelbrock, American made aluminum cylinder heads. We have the real nice Taylor blue ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Proper oil pan for the 71 Bronco. It's got the dip tube in the side with the braided dip tube, low car dip tube. We have the oil pressure extension on there, make it easy for hookups. High flow fuel pump, all the fittings are in there. Gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel line. Quick fuel carburetors all set up. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. MSD coil, distributors all set in place. Proper thermostat housing for the 71 Bronco, 45-degree water neck. Thermostats in there. We have the brand new balancer on there. Proper flywheel, 164 tooth flywheel, proper balance and tooth count. Pilot bearings in there, all set. We have all the PCV ventilation system on there. Russell line on there. Vacuum lines are all installed, make it easy hookups. Every engine is live run at the engine factory here for over 45 minutes. All the settings will be set. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand. You'll have the manifold vacuum readings, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. It'll be completely dialed in, drop-in ready. Carburetor will be all adjusted. Timing is set, fully tested. Photos of the entire engine build will be sent to you of your engine. So this is the custom built 71 Bronco engine, 302 Ford, 350 horse package. Customer is getting the pulley kit that will be coming in a few days. I'll install that for him. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We're a family-owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. There's our Ford Bronco engine. Thanks for watching.